All right, guys, back again. We got another video here. We have the Milwaukee Jobsite speaker. It's the M12. The code is 2955-20. We will go over some of the specs here. It does have audio link. Audio link allows you to hook up multiple speakers. It's got an IP rating, IP64 rating, so it's dust and water resistant. Do not submerge this in water, but it's okay with accidental splashes. It'll be safe. It says a Bluetooth button, of course your volume plus and minus, start button, power buttons right here. And then you can hook in your battery right here. Let's see if I can get this thing off. This is a little tough spot on these. Pushing these in, these side pieces in, you push them in and pull them out. It's a little tough getting that out. But I have a 6.0 extended capacity battery. If you were to use it, on the specs, it says if you were to use a 4.0 extended capacity battery, if you play it at 50% volume, it'll last for 40 hours. If you play it at 100% volume, all the way up, it'll last for 10 hours. On a 4.0 extended capacity battery, this is a 6.0. But this is tool only. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the battery in. Locked in place. Makes a nice little stand for it. Also has a D-ring right here. So if you want to just hang it like that on something. It also has a little nail hook right here. So if you just have, a nail head on the wall, you can hang it right there. And I'll show us hanging it. It has a mount, which you'll see. I already have the mount hanging, but it has a mount right here that you can hang this from like your back porch or wherever, out in your shop or something like that. And also these little grooves right here, they're compatible with the Packout system, so it'll lock into one of the little slots on the Packout and it'll be secure. So what we're gonna do is I'm going to get some music going on this thing. I will also say this is it has a 3.5 inch woofer in here, and it has a high frequency tweeter. So here is your actual USB port right here. It's got a USB port type C right here. You just push your Bluetooth button, and we're gonna come over here and we're gonna go to Bluetooth and connect. So we're gonna push connect, showing up over here. And I'll actually show you where it's actually showing up. So under your Bluetooth setting, you'll go and you'll see Bluetooth Milwaukee 2955, and we're gonna connect there. So I push connect. It's connected, it says it's connected. So we're gonna go to the music to start this thing. We'll just play this little bit of this song, and when we're done, I'm gonna go ahead and go hang this up outside for you with that little mounting bracket. Got a pretty good thump for the small speaker, So this is full blast. And like most speakers, when you turn it down a little bit less than full, it sounds a little better. So I picked this up for like $129. I've seen it for $110 at some places. So just check around. I got this one at Home Depot. I will put it in the link. It will be in the description where you can get this. I'll put a few links of where you can get it. So if you like this little speaker, Hit the like button, subscribe. It'll be in the description. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.